NXT, the morning show starts now.
Are you looking for love this summer, but you don't like going to the bar scene? You're still trying to find Mr. Right? Well, if you have a pet, you might only have to look as far as the dog park. How you can find love with Fido, coming up.
Well, are you looking for love this summer? There might be another way besides heading out to the bars, and if you're a dog owner, you just need to look to your backyard.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, you know, because your pet, the thing you love so much, could be your answer. So joining us now is Chris Rotonda and Denise Fernandez. They are the founders of YouMustLoveDogsDating.com. And I forgot her little name.
Her name is Coco.
Coco! Coco is so cute. So you guys started a dating website specifically for people who love dogs.
Yep. It started about 8 months ago. It was inspired through my past relationships, and I saw a movie with Diane Lane, Must Love Dogs, and I was inspired to just bring this site together with all the niches out there. So 8 months later, this is where we are.
And how do dogs? I mean, I guess dog lovers, people who love dogs, they have things in common. I mean, and you kind of realize those once you meet up.
Oh yeah. I mean, there's so many things in common, especially what you can do with dogs too, the dog parks, dog beaches. I mean, there's restaurants now that are dog friendly. I mean, I like bigger dogs. I was actually stuck with 3 dogs, so it's kind of different. I mean, too. I like all breeds though.
So tell me a little bit about the website and some of the profiles. Like you put pictures of you, and then you put pictures and info about your dogs as well?
Yeah, we did it's almost like a 2-for-1. You do your own personal thing, and then we have a section for the dogs where you put the pictures, you upload cute videos, say what kind of dogs are compatible with, and all that kind of stuff. So it's harder to match people like this because it's like double dating almost. Like you gotta have them too.
Yeah, I mean, and you were talking about you guys when you started dating. You didn't have any dogs. Now you guys have 4. So I mean, this could turn into like quadruple dating.
yeah, it could.
So how's it going so far? A lot of matches?
We have a lot of matches. The surveys are showing that even people are matching their dogs, really like small dogs and big dogs and big dogs, which is different. It's going good. It's very new. It's a puppy, per se. So we're just seeing where it's going to go from here.
I mean, and you were just inspired because you were in a relationship before, and you just decided, this would be a really good idea?
Yeah, because, I had relationships where people, they put the animals on the back burner, like they wanted to put them outside all the time. They didn't want them in the bedroom, or they didn't want them on the couch. And for me, I've always grown up like that. Like the dogs were on the couch, the dogs were they were part of the family.
I think that this is, just from being a dog owner, I think it's so true. I mean, we waited until we were together to get our dogs, but it's so true. When you have the dog and then you start dating somebody new, if your dog sleeps in the bed, you go through that whole weird stage, and yeah.
So any possibility of you turning this into a cat feline kind of deal?
It could be. We've had so many possibility offers. People want clothing lines on there. They want all this different stuff. We're gonna do mixers coming up soon too. I mean, it can be definitely a fun experience.
I love it.
And now you're a big dog lover, I imagine.
Well, yes. Actually, I've never had any, so it was a new experience. But yeah, I love them. They're awesome.
Yeah.
They're really fun.
They're just like little babies. I mean, they really are like part of the family.
I think for both people in relationships, it's good to have a dog first if you want kids in the future. It's almost like a preview of how you're going to be.
To judge someone's character.
Yeah.
Right. You can see when they get frustrated, how they're going to handle the situation when the dog, eats your iPad or something.
Yeah, she's had the shoes a few times.
You're right.
Thank you guys so much for coming
thank you for having us. Thank you for having us.
So, and if you don't have a dog but you want to become a pet owner, you can always look at dogs available from local shelters on news4jax.com. We have that adopt a pet section under the entertainment tab, but we're also putting a link to this dating website on the morning show page of news4jax.com.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you again.
Thank you.